Mayor de Blasio is cracking down on social distancing, and that's going to mean that access to some of the city's parks will be restricted. In Manhattan, the focus is on two parks in Manhattan along the Hudson River, one of them at Pier 45, the other at Pier 46. And at Domino Park in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, last weekend, there were reports of overcrowding in all of these areas. CBS 2's Tara Jakeway live tonight in the West Village. Tara.
Maurice, well, you can't tell now because of the dreary weather, but typically this West Side Pier is packed with people even during the pandemic, which could be why Mayor de Blasio has chosen it as the location where he's going to start putting his foot down when it comes to crowds.
We had some parks last weekend that were more crowded than they should have been, and we know it wasn't just some stray individuals. It was really the physical reality of the park.
Pier 45 is a narrow strip of land that juts out into the Hudson. Part of the Hudson River Parks development, the small patch of grass is well maintained. So it's no surprise that this is what Pier 45 looked like this past weekend.
Hudson River Park was one of the places where we saw too many people, too close together. Hudson River Park, Piers 45, 46, we're going to proactively limit the number of people can be in any given area right there.
Because park goers are getting too close for comfort during COVID, de Blasio says at the beginning of each day, NYPD will be monitoring the two piers to make sure they don't get too crowded.
When it does, obviously asking people to move out, make more space, make sure there's turnover.
And they'll be handing masks over. All of this, the mayor says, an effort to stop problems before they begin.
If people don't want to wait, if they come and there's a lot of people there and you have to wait, a lot of people are going to move on.
For those that do want to wait until there's space, they will be asked to social distance while waiting in line. The same goes for those headed to Domino Park in Williamsburg. It's the third city space where they'll be limiting entry daily, all part of a pilot program the mayor calls a social distancing test.
Social distancing is very, very important, but we do need to get the sunshine, some outdoor time.
These new restrictions on that outdoor time drawing mixed reactions from West Village residents.
I do think it's a good idea that the cops are here to separate people when they are too close.
I think we all know to follow the rules, and I just don't think that that's fair. I don't know how you're going to do that.
Well, how they plan on doing it is there will be uniformed NYPD officers right up here by the park entrance between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. They'll be monitoring the situation, make sure it doesn't get too crowded, and then it will become a one-in, one-out situation. Live in the West Village, Tara Jakeway, CBS 2 News.